In this video, you will learn how to add the booking widget to your WordPress website. First, choose a booking plugin. Select a booking plugin like Bookly, Amelia, or WP Simple Booking Calendar and install it from your WordPress plugin directory. Install the plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New, and search for your chosen booking plan. Then click Install, then activate it. Configure the plugin. After activation, go to the plugin settings, usually in the left menu. Set up your booking preference, include services, availability and payment options. Get booking widget codes. More plugins offer shortcodes or widgets for easily embedding. Copy the shortcut provided by the plugin. Add the widget to your page. Navigate to Pages and Add New, and create an existing page. Paste the shortcode into the page editor, or use a shortcode block in the WordPress block editor. Publish your page. Click Publish or Update to make the booking widget live on your WordPress site. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.